Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about styles in React Native. So in the previous video, we have discussed the text component, view component, and the button component. So in this class, we will do some styles to the text component. Like how can we do styles to the text components? Those things we will see in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So I'm choosing this text component, right? I will choose this text component and I will write style, right? This is a style property you have to use and equal to, and you have to open two double brackets, right? And here you have to write margin. So what is margin? I will give margin 10, right? See, if we give margin, see, I have given I have given 10. So you are getting 10 around, like you are getting the 10 margin. You're getting 10 margin, right? This is the margin, right? This is the margin. For example, if I give 20 here and save it, see, now I got some more space, right? And if I include 30 here and save it, and see, we got some more space. So based upon your margin, it will give some space. And after that, I will give border width, border width, which is which is 2. I'll give border width 2, right? And I will give border color. Border color. Border color is red. I'll give red. See here. See, we got some border and we got some border width and we got some border color, which is red, right? But the inside the content is not in the proper manner, right? So for this, you have to use the padding. You have to use padding. And I will give padding as 10, right? See, now we got some space inside it, right? It is a 10, it is a 10 size of padding inside it. So inside you will be having 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here, and 10 here, right? So in this way, we can give the styles to the text component. Styles to the text component. So same way I can give styles to the above text component also. Just copy this style and press Ctrl C and include it and save it. And see, we got both the text components. We are having the styles, right? We are having the styles. So margin, what is margin? Margin will be applied on the outside, right? Margin will be applied on the outside. What we have given? We have given 30 as margin. So here 30, here 30, here 30, and here 30, right? Right? And after that, we have given the border width. So this is the border width, right? This is the border width is 2. And we are having border color is red. So this is the border color is red. And inside it, we are having some space, right? Inside is padding, right? Right? So we are choosing the padding all sides as 10. All sides as 10, right? See, we have implemented all size as 10, right? So in this way, we can give styles to the text component, right? Right? So, so instead of giving like this, it will take more time, right? Like you have to specify the styles, like same styles, right? If I want to change red to blue, right? I have to change here and I have to change here also, right? Save it and go to here. It will change, right? It's take a lot of time, right? So I don't want to waste my time. So what I do is I will create some object. I will choose it as dummy text, dummy, sorry, dummy text object, and I will open it and I will choose this styles. Choose this styles inside, right? I'll choose this, like I will cut this styles and I will just copy this here. I will copy here, right? I'll just remove this. Yeah. And I will give some can, right? So whenever you want to format document, you have to click like this. Okay, it is formatted. Just I have to decant it. And I will do the padding here also, right? So we have included the styles like this, right? We have included the styles like this. So now what I will do is I will write styles dot, see we got dummy text, right? This is our styles. So I will specify the styles in this, right? In the same way, I will just remove this thing. I will just remove this thing and I will write styles dot dummy text, right? And save it. So same thing will be appear, right? See, I'm getting the same thing, right? For example, in previously I have to change in both, like in the here also I have to change the color and here also I have to change the color. But now see, I will just change the color in here. I'll change the color here, red, and save it, right? And see, the colors have changed to the both the text. The color has changed to the both the text, right? So in this way, we can give the styles to the React Native program, right? So I hope you understand how to give styles to the basic program in React Native. And if you have any doubts in this, just please comment in the chat and I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please do like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.